Out here, it's more than a way of life. It's who we are. The work starts before the sunrise. It doesn't stop when the sun goes down. The spirit of the Western lifestyle, the drive of every cowboy and cowgirl chasing a world title, it never lets up. From the Ram that pulls the load, the Big Tex trailer that hauls it, the Case IH tractor that powers through, and the CM truck bed that stands tough through it all. Because every piece matters. This is hard work, this is a tradition, this is a legacy that never quits. We'll see you in Vegas, where the grit and grind of the Western lifestyle never stops.
What's going on, you guys? Alex here with Elevation Off Grid. Welcome back to the shop. Behind me here we have our 2025 Ram 5500 Limitless. This truck has our standard width brush guard, brand new bumper design, came out absolutely badass. We built this truck in collaboration with Ram and CM Flatbeds for National Finals Rodeo in Las Vegas, which we are getting ready to head out to today. Let's check out some of the build process and head out to the show.
Jonathan, tell me a little bit how this all began, if you would.
Yes, sir. Like I said, as a young child, I grew up in Florida, and my parents, they kind of had friends and stuff, and they did the horse deal a little bit. Me and my brother, it was always me and my brother. He was 3 years older than me, and I guess team roping was the best since there was two of us, you know what I mean? So he started heading, and I started doing the heeling. But growing up down there in Florida, like most people think, man, do you guys rope down there in Florida and stuff? And really, there's more roping. I would say it's more like not a hobby, but there's events and stuff, but the events are way bigger out here, like just like with anything. I mean, the hub over here in Texas where I live now is just pretty much like where all the big stuff happens. And then I went to college in Louisiana, and I was on the college rodeo team there at McNeese State University, me and my brother both. We got the college rodeo together, went to the college national finals in Casper, Wyoming as well, and we've never stopped. I've been pretty thankful to have him, obviously my parents and the whole deal, just support what I love and what I wanted to do. To now be here 4 times, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's a dream come true for sure, just to be able to compete at this level. My mentality, I feel like, is a running mentality or an aggressive mentality. I feel like you got to keep rolling, because if not, somebody's going to roll over you or whatever the case is. As a kid growing up, like I said, in Florida, I just shoot for the stars. I mean,
You were talking about Florida a while ago. A lot of folks don't know. You think of Texas, Oklahoma as one of the largest cattle producing areas or not, and but people be surprised.
Yes,
Number
sir.
2
Yes, sir.
is Florida
Yes,
in
sir.
cattle production
Yes, sir.
and stuff of that nature.
Yep.
But Jonathan, we wish you the very best.
Yes,
and
sir.
again, I appreciate you coming by and visiting
sir.
with us, and
Yep.
appreciate everything you do for CM.
yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, y'all want to sing it? If you know it, I want to hear you. You ain't going to sound better than me, but you can try.
All right, guys, we are back from Vegas, back from the rodeo. What an awesome time that was. Huge shout out to RAM, CM Truck Beds for having us there, making everything happen. This will probably be our last video on YouTube for 2025. This wraps up an absolutely epic year for us here at Elevation Off-Grid. So many shows, all the Overland Expos. SEMA was absolutely epic for us this year too. Lake of the Ozarks shootout, deliveries all over the country, clients coming from all over the country and world to pick up their trucks. It's been a great year. We can't wait for what's in store for 2026. As always, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon for notification every time we upload a new video. Check out the merch shop, elevationoffgrid.com. We got hats, shirts, hoodies, new hats and shirts, and our new dually wheels on there as well. Last but certainly not least, huge shout out to all you guys. Thanks so much for the support, following along, all the engagement across our social channels. This channel, all of our social channels wouldn't be what it is without you guys. So thank you again. We will see you all in 2026.